Hey guys, welcome back to Manicro Custom Guitars, welcome back to my shop. And today we're going to continue on our nocturnal 7-string guitar build. And today we're going to cut some more wood and we're going to do some neck blanks, like this one. So stay tuned and let's roll the intro. Okay, so at this point, I have a nice big chunk of wood. And what I did, I got 5 pieces of flat saw material, and I cut them to length, stacked them vertically, and glued them together to have this nice piece of quarter sawn blank, which I'm going to cut 3 pieces from it, and that will be my final neck blank. I will clean the glue, flatten this face, and reference the edges, and then I can start cutting the blanks. And like so, I have 3 beautiful pieces of quarter sawn neck blanks. I have one which I kept quite thick, around 30 mil, just in case I have to do something with this particular size. I have another one which is over 24 mil, and this will be a perfect thickness for an Odin build. And the other one, the last one, which I'm going to use for this build, I made it as a standard 20 mil thickness. Now, well, the next step will be to prepare the blank, this one in particular, for truss rod. But before that, I need to align this blank on my CNC machine. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. If you want to see how this build is going to end up, stay tuned. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be aware about my future releases. I'll do CNC and guitar building related content. If you want to see more from Manicro Custom Guitars, down in the description box you will find links to my other socials, and you will find other means and ways for supporting this channel. So guys, until the next time, take care and goodbye.